Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, cbhamradiodepot. Today we have received probably one of the best 940s that I've had in my shop. This thing has been totally went through by a local gentleman that is really kind of a Kenwood guru, I guess you might call him. But anyway, this was his personal rig for many years, and what he did was he went through it, completely rebuilt the power supply with new caps, new pass transistors, new zeners. Also, he added frequency stabilizer from RF System Italy, which really made this radio just dead accurate. He also did the fan replacement kit, which was the dual fan unit that you put on it, and it has an AM filter and a narrow CW filter. So this thing is really loaded up. It's got LEDs and everything. As you can see, this radio is really clean. We're not going to spend a lot of time with it today because I have done a video on a 940 before. Anyway, this one here was so nice, just had to do something with it. Now let's do a little quick output check. This thing does real well. Let's see what we got here. L check. And it's doing 100 watts on 20 meters. This is about what it should do. So this radio is very nice. If it's something you've been looking for, come see us at our website. This is, like I say, an amazing unit right here. Well, thanks for watching our videos. Come see us. Thank you.